Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It is day 1. Well, technically day 2, but we didn't do anything yesterday. We kind of just got to the hotel, ate some dinner, and went to bed. So technically today's day 1. Welcome to the humble abode, I guess. I'll call it that. I always call it that. Why do I do that? Welcome to the room. This is where we slept last night. Pretty comfortable. It took me a while to get used to the bed. It was a little rough, but after I finally got used to the bed, it was all right. So here's the room that we stayed in, and I gotta show this. I gotta show you guys this. I think I'm more excited about this than anything else in the whole entire room. Look at this light. Look at that. It automatically comes on, and you can slide your finger on the light to change the light. That is so cool. I've never seen anything like that. It's probably a thing. I've just never noticed. But that honestly entertained me more than anything else. But yeah, here's the room. And then, if we go out here, you can see we have a full-blown kitchen. Like the whole thing. It's got everything. It's got an actual dishwasher, a sink, and the sink like comes off and you can clean dishes or whatever, which we actually have. We have dishes, bowls, plates, microwave, cups, stove. We've even got like pots and pans down here in the cabinets. Coffee maker and toaster too. Like, this is giving me the first hotel that I ever went to vibes. And then we have a fridge, freezer, nothing in it really, except for last night's dinner. I had leftover. Actually, wait. I'm gonna show you guys this. Look at this. Look at that. Let me see if I can get it open. Probably won't be able to. It'll probably, hang on. Okay, got it. Oh, red velvet cake from Buddy's Cake Shop. Yeah, the cake boss. It looks so good. Tastes good too. We ate some of it last night, not all of it, but it was really good. So good. I resisted eating all of it because I wanted to save it for later tonight, whatever. Had some leftover steak as well. Also got some coffee here. We got this morning. Actually, it was pretty good. It's a cappuccino. I got a cappuccino, but the foam is all gone because it sat there. But I also had a sugar cookie Pop-Tart. They're actually super cute. They have little like faces on them and stuff. I never even saw these in the store, but they were a limited time thing or something. I don't know. Obviously, they were on sale because it's nowhere near Christmas anymore. But you know what? I wanted to try them, so we got them. And they didn't expire till the 28th. And then last, over here, we have the big living room. I mean, look at that. A big living room with a big couch, TV. And you know the TVs are actually really cool because they hook up to your apps. So like Hulu, Netflix, all that stuff. You can watch that on either TV in either room. Oh wait, I totally forgot. I gotta show you guys the best part. So this is why we booked this place. The shower. Oh wait, I should probably open it. No, probably. Oh. The shower. It's a rainfall shower. And it's amazing. I've never been in a hotel that had one of these before. You know what? Can I turn it on? I'm probably gonna, oh my gosh, I hope I don't get my phone wet. Oh god. Okay, I didn't get wet. I'm good. Check it out. Isn't that cool? Oh, I turned it off. I didn't turn it off. Oops. Okay. Look at that. Pretty cool. Nice. I enjoy it. But the bathroom's really cool because the doors are sliding doors. so they slide close and open. And the toilet is separate from the bathroom, kind of, so you can close the door. My arm's all wet. You can close the door, open the door, and you have privacy in the bathroom. I really like this place. It's really nice. There's not much, actually, other than a game room. Like, the only thing with this place is when we booked it, there was no pool, which I'm okay with because, you know, like I said, we don't usually use the pool anyway. And then also, there was no breakfast. So instead of breakfast, they kind of have this like coffee bar set up out front. And it has where you can get like cappuccinos, lattes, espressos, anything that you want really. We got one this morning. You guys saw that earlier. And then upstairs, they have a little game room. So instead of a actual pool, they have a pool table instead. And some other stuff, I guess, up there to just go upstairs and chill out, I guess, in the game room. But other than that, they don't really have much else. Because this is more or less like a home away from home type hotel. It's not really like a stay overnight hotel where you have like your hot tub and your pool and outdoor stuff and things like that. It does have a fitness center, but I think all of them do. That's like standard now. For some reason, they all have fitness centers and we rarely ever use them, if at all. But today is going to be a simple day. So we're heading to the mall today. And then tomorrow, I'm not sure what we're doing exactly. I want to go to like this cave place, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to because, well, it's supposed to rain. So hopefully it won't. We'll see. I don't know. Got my bag here ready to go. And before I head out, check the shoes, check the fit one last time. There we go. I'm planning on getting some new shoes today at the mall. I've had those shoes for like 10 years, so hopefully I can get me some new shoes today. I don't know. Let's see. But we're going to head out, get to the mall, and we'll see you guys there. All right. You know where we're going first, so we might as well go.
What's that?
We're going to Cinnabon. The best thing in Cinnabon. I think it's the best thing in Cinnabon. And a nice tall glass of milk. And you got, what did you get?
Cinnamon bites.
Bon bites?
Bon bites.
Looks like mini cinnamon rolls. Hey, can I have a fork?
There's one here.
I want to eat. Yummy. Ooh, that looks so good. Yum. These are hot. Yum, 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 yum. Where should we go first? Should we go shoes first? Or, I mean, we're right at Aeropostale. My shoes? I don't even know where I would go to get shoes. Athletic shoes, like I have on right now. I guess we'll just have to look. I don't know. We could, I mean, since we're already at Aeropostale though, we could go on in there. Or you not want to, oh yeah, you said you wanted to get a different kind of cologne this time, right? Okay. So we just look for some shoes first right now. And then we'll get the cologne later. But I think we're going the wrong way for shoes. I don't know where I'm going either.
Glad we decided to walk in there.
I know.
Yeah.
Got some socks. And finally got some shoes. Yeah.
Which one's he gonna wear?
The black one. Okay. I got me some shoes. Got some cologne. Been here for about 3 hours now. Got a little snack, some pretzels and cheese. And a drink, of course, because I'm tired. But that's it. I mean, we're probably gonna keep shopping for a little bit longer. Then we're gonna go eat dinner and probably end the night there. But a good day at the mall, I will say that. Good day at the mall. check them out. I'm eating the pecan one. It looks so good. Got a couple of them sitting out and a few to take home here in the box. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm just admiring my sneakers, my new shoes here. I didn't actually get to tell you guys. You saw them, but you didn't see the story here about them. But anyway, I did end up getting some new shoes. Finally, I've had these old shoes over here for literally ever, and I really wanted some new shoes, so I finally got some new shoes. They're actually nice. I like them. I wasn't gonna get new shoes. I was considering not doing it because once we looked at all the stores, I decided, you know what? I think I'm gonna skip on the shoes because I wasn't finding any that were that comfortable. And we looked in one last store before we left. Just so happened to be the store that had the shoes that I wanted, and I was like, well, you know what? I like these. Let's go with these. So I ended up getting them. But anyway, back at the hotel now for the rest of the night. We went out to eat today. Still got ice cream in the freezer that we haven't touched. We still have all of them, as you can see. But today we just went out to eat with family for dinner. And now we're not really gonna do much but just hang around here for the rest of the night because tomorrow we're going to be heading out to the racetrack to go do the last thing on our list, which is to drive the cars. Well, I'm not gonna be driving the cars, but I'll be watching and filming, of course. So that's pretty much the last thing on the agenda for the trip, actually. So I guess you might hear from me tomorrow, maybe, possibly, I don't know. Just depends on if the track is like crowded or anything like that and it ends up becoming a bit much. I'll get some footage though, and of course I want to film the driving and all that. I've been waiting for that. It's the last thing we're doing, so I'm ready to do that. But for now, I think I'm just going to relax here on the bed and spend the rest of my night here. Then tomorrow morning, we'll head out there, and I guess I'll see you then. About ready to go. Gotta head on up to the check-in area, check in, and then time to drive some vehicles super fast. You can probably hear them in the background. They're constantly going through here, like just super fast. I'm not gonna be driving, of course, but it'll be fun to watch. It's time to get in there and see some cool cars.